everyone. Guess what time it is? It's 12:30 on Tuesday, so you know what that means. It's time for our Temp-tations Tuesday, where we pick an item on QVC.com and we highlight it. We bring it to life, we give you great ideas, and there's usually something pretty cool about it. This is a clearance price, which is fantastic. We have no plans on making this another set, so we wanted to, of course, bring it to you at a clearance price, $22.69, but take a peek at what we have here. We have 4 of our stemless wine glasses. What I love about this is you have what we call our classic pattern, where we mix our old world and our floral lace. They're about 16 ounces, and for me, a stemless wine glass is just perfect. I use them as water glasses. Of course, I use them for red or white wine, but the fact that you don't have a stem, you literally can kind of put them anywhere. You're getting all 4. Head over to QVC.com to see what colors are available, but take a peek over here where we did a gorgeous red sangria, right? All of the fruit cut up inside here. This is the best, right? You have these beautiful, great glass glasses that you can see everything through. And I love the outdoor entertaining, a little bruschetta that I have here. Of course, I have my sangria, white or red. And then just take a peek over here. I love this too. By the way, have you seen our lemons and palms? This pattern is so spectacular. Also available on QVC.com. It just makes you happy. Lemons, palms, and we did a whole little vignette over here where we did our lemonade. So again, whether these are water glasses, whether you're doing lemonade in them, but they're on clearance. If you love our dinnerware, if you've been collecting all of the accessories for our dinner party, this is a great addition. I do recommend that you hand wash them just to kind of make sure we keep that pattern pristine throughout its life. But 4 great glasses, about 16 ounces, clearance price, which means we will not do these again. These are being retired and you have loved them, so thank you. $22.69. Head on over to QVC.com and check it out.